Hi, come on in.
This is the room that you walk into with the lovely Sydney. This is her office. This house was built in 1860. We have a lot of the old features still, but we just updated it with a little quick modern touch. We have a little conference room, break room area. This is Bobby Bones. He showed up one Halloween and we have never put him away ever since. He kind of hangs around, we decorate him, we have him do all kinds of stuff. He's fun, you've probably seen him more. Okay, this is the kitchen. It's full of our love of coffee, our fun signs. Next stop is Beth's office. Here, Beth. Hi. This room right here is actually the basement, and we'll do more on this later, but there's actually a really cool surprise down there.